This is the installation of the brake plate assembly. You will need 3 special tools. This special jig, you may also use a bench vise with smooth jaws, being careful not to clamp the threads of the axle, only the flats. You need this brake arm alignment jig and this cone adjuster wrench. You'll also need a 17mm open-ended wrench. Install the axle in the vise or the special jig. Place the brake plate assembly, then the cone adjuster. We'll engage the left cone, tighten it finger tight, and then back it off 45 degrees. And install the lock nut. And the special jig, which aligns the brake arm to the axle for this specific bike. And then hold the cone adjuster in place and tighten the lock nut to 8.5 Newton meters. Then check for play at the rim. If you notice any play, you need to repeat the procedure. Remove the brake arm alignment jig, and the brake plate assembly should turn freely and the bearing should feel very smooth. And then you're done.